I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact device model and Android version, so you fetch the correct Snapdragon GPU driver. This matters because drivers are device-specific. Once done, make a quick backup and charge the phone above 50% to avoid interruptions. Now connect to stable Wi-Fi and enable developer options if needed. These steps let you access update toggles and verify the current GPU driver version before you proceed with the installer. Next, open Google Play and search for the Snapdragon/Adreno game driver or the OEM GPU update package and install it. This is often the fastest, easiest route. Alternatively, go to Settings Right Arrow System Update and apply any listed driver patches from the manufacturer. Those integrate cleanly with your build. In Developer Options, you may see a driver selector. Choose the game driver versus the system default when prompted, because that switches to. Finally, reboot the device to activate the new driver. Then verify the driver version under Settings Right Arrow About or a GPU Info app so you know the update installed correctly. After that, run a game or lightweight benchmark to confirm performance and stability improvements. Short tests reveal regressions quickly. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, switch back to the system driver in Developer Options, or boot into safe mode to isolate problems. If needed, contact the OEM for a rollback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.